Next category, simple category, injury pictures. Does that happen very much with a low impact soft tissue spinal injury? Do you typically get injury pictures? The answer is no. Why? We typically don't see patients right after the accident, especially personal injury. They'll go to their doctor, they'll go to the attorney, and then the attorney does. By the time we typically see them, it's several days or even weeks later. So it's pretty rare for us to actually have injury pictures. But be aware if you do see anything, scratching, bruising, etc., obviously that's evidence. But we're going to put it in perspective here. Remember, every time we look at evidence, what did I tell you the categories we're going to look at? 7 of the majors. Where does it fit in the 7 of the major categories? Where does it fit? Right here. This is 1, sensitivity. 2, relevancy. 3, probability. 4, primary or secondary. Or 5. Is it a different category? Every time I look at a piece of evidence, this is how I'm going to evaluate that evidence. So it could be something very, very small, a real small piece of the puzzle. It could be something average. It could be something really important. See? Learn. That's what we're doing, is we're going through that right now. So if I had injury pictures that actually showed an injury, is it good? Yeah. Am I going to build it? What's the likelihood that that is alone, a standalone, good enough to go to court and win? It's not. It's supported. I'd call it even secondary evidence, to be honest with you. Almost secondary. I mean, it's primary if you see it, but what's way more important than injury pictures? Objective findings, permanent impairment. Way more important than an injury picture.